It's the best RV center. We're down here in Turlock where you can get all your best RVs for less. We got to take you inside and take a look at this. No, not in here, in there. All right, well, we actually made it inside here in one of these unbelievable units because we're talking about tailgating. And
yes,
tailgating is huge. Super Bowl time, I mean, you can do it all year long, but these units are like designed for this, aren't they now?
It's exactly, because this is a unique. This is the first time they have a side patio and side balcony.
Right.
So we're standing here in a balcony where you can walk from the living area straight to the balcony. And tailgating, you have a power awning, LED light,
right?
And you enjoy the game, or sitting here, go outside, barbecue, coming back here, people sitting down, sitting up, you name it.
I've never seen anything like this before. It is fairly new.
It is new, and plus this is electric.
Okay. So one button.
One button, all this go inside.
Oh my goodness.
On the side.
On the side. Okay, speaking of inside, can we go inside and take a look?
Let's go inside and show you.
Let's go inside and take a look. Goodness, look at this thing. Oh, wow. All right, now, so tell us what we got going on. I noticed behind Jacob, our cameraman, we've got a bedroom, we got everything.
Yes, as a matter of fact, as you see here, you have the L-shaped sofas with the coffee tables. And this table is actually, you could sit here, watch a beautiful game.
Yes.
Especially it's coming
to the final. That's a huge TV.
It's like 65 inch.
Bigger than the one in my house,
and
yeah.
almost 60 inch
fireplace.
Yeah,
and then
you have
this?
This is a coffee table, and when you want to grab the food to you just bring it in.
Oh my.
You can put your laptop. Serve me. Where's my drink?
Perfect for a tailgate. This is like glam tailgating, right?
And also you could see your friends when they're sitting on the side patio as well outside. And if you want privacy, you just close the shade.
All right, give me a sausage. I need a hot dog out there. This place also has a kitchen, right?
Yeah, come in. Let me show you the kitchen. It's amazing.
Okay.
It's a big, huge kitchen.
Holy
everything you ever think. Yeah. Even it has features like I don't have them in my house. You know, look, this is beautiful.
Yes.
And then you have a waterfall sink.
Oh my God.
And then you have to rinse your cups. So when you finish, if you want
push them down that way.
Down.
You got the microwave, the stove, the fridge.
Huge microwave, and then you have 4-door refrigerators. You can fill them up with all kind of food.
It looks much nicer than my house. This one's amazing, but you got the other one. Can we take a look at that too?
Let's go look at the other one.
Let's go. I'll follow you. Oh, so now this one you call the Class C, because this one you can drive, right?
Yes, absolutely. You could drive it. It's a Class C. It's sitting on a Ford chassis. And always Class C, they have the cap over bed where you sleep 2 people on the top.
Okay.
Now this is a sofa here, but I have a nice Murphy bed behind me where all this bed drop down and you sleep 2 people on.
And you sleep on this. Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so you can sleep here, you can sleep there.
Yeah. And also, if you want, there's a big room in the back. You can sleep more people if you want.
Oh my gosh, this thing keeps going and going. And I noticed you got a kitchen here as well too, and everything else, all the amenities.
As you see, the big fridge and freezers, microwave, oven, stove. Full kitchen, full showers, full bathroom, a lot of closets, a lot of pantries. I mean, you could live in it if you want to.
Yeah, this reeks of tailgating right now.
Yes.
All right, so you mentioned back there through that door. Can we go through the door and check out what's over there?
Let's go. And we have a big garage in the back.
All right, just walk right out the door and we're all set, ready to go. So this now, they call this the garage?
Yes, a garage. I could put a big quad, big Harley, bicycles, whatever, dogs. Crane if you do dog shows.
You're exactly sure. Why not?
Big barbecue if you're tailgating.
This is the neatest thing ever. And then of course out here you've got your patio for the tailgating, which is the best. I mean, this is what you got to do, right?
Come with the awning in the top here too.
Oh, so we can block a little sun if we need to.
Yes, if you want to.
I love that. Should we take a seat?
Yeah, have a seat.
Oh my gosh, this is just too cool. All right, we're gonna relax here for a second, and again, we got to go over the deals because you have amazing incentives. Let's go over those one more time for the customers.
Number one, we provide them with a free get-ready package, free dealer prep, free walkthrough, free orientation. We make these units ready for them for free at no cost to them. They just have to pay the sale price plus tax and license. No hidden fees.
Super easy.
Also, we provide them with a special rate for the January show. The bank is helping us by giving us a special rate for financing.
Okay.
As well, the manufacturer provide us some incentive for these units for month of January and February.
Yeah.
For the situation in Southern California, as we taking some proceed of the sales,
yep.
we give it to our American Red Cross to help our communities and to help the people down in Southern California. And we created special program for people and residents from Southern California to purchase this one so they could put it next to their burning house until they get back to their normal life.
Wow, looking out for people too. Now it's unbelievable. All right, you sold 2 of them.
All right,
now I'm his best friend.
Back up.
Exactly.
Back it up.
Tailgating, that's the way to do it. Thanks again.
Good. Where's my drink?
Right. We need a drink. We need some food. It's all good. Well, they're cooking the hot dogs over that way.
The hot dog right there. Coming in.
So good. Best RV center.
Wasn't it awesome?
You look comfy in that.
I'm telling you, we need to get one of those because it's awesome. It's got its own patio.
Just ride around.
Those things are a lot of fun.
Quick drive to Turlock is where you'll find them. See the phone number, bestrv.com on the web, and scan that. Did you do those dots too on that QR code? You spent time doing that?
I did. Well, I colored each one of those
Nice
yellow.
job.
Yeah, I went for the yellow on
Nice
that one.
job.
And I'm a master of the QR code now.
Good work.